Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today. I have a project share. I made a mini album and I wanted to show you guys. This is 6x8 and I made it from start to finish myself. I was inspired by a paper pad that I hauled last week, which is Summer Farmhouse by Simple Stories. And this is a 6x8 paper pad that I got from Zoo Lily. And if you had seen that video, I was wondering what to do with these prints. They're like full page prints, and I thought they'd be good for a mini album. So I decided to make a summer theme one. So this is what it looks like. And the cover, I did use the Summer Farmhouse paper, this lemon print for the back. And I used that for inspiration for the rest of the cover. I had made this embellishment a while ago, which I've shown you guys before, and I just haven't done anything with it yet, but I thought it went perfectly with this paper line, so put it on the front cover. I added some brads and buttons and resin pieces just to add a little bit more interest. I made a bow out of some ribbon I got from Dollar Tree, and I glued on some trims that I have in my stash too. I put one across the top and two down the edge. This is that pink ribbon trim that I just love from Hobby Lobby. This is the one I think I got from Michael's. I don't remember the daisy one. I used some binder rings that I had in my stash, some pink ones, and I made a tassel. This one I used actually a pre-made tassel part that I got from Joann's. It came in a pack of their like from their summer line, like Place and Time or something like that. And I used some beads that I got from Michael's, and I just love these stripes. They look very summery to me. I put them on a jump ring and then just added it to the binder ring. I used reinforcers that I got from Dollar Tree last week. They're from Heidi Swap. So those were perfect for this. And yeah, so let's get started. Like I said, I made this start to finish. I took some chipboard, cut out a bunch of pieces to 6x8, covered them with paper, punched holes with my crop dial, and yeah, that's basically it. It's very simple to do if you want to make your own chipboard album. So let's take a look inside. This is the first page, and like I said, I use the big layout pages. I put them on the left side of each page of the book just to keep the bulk down and to showcase them a little bit too. The only thing I added to this one is I added some glossy accents to the tires and to some of the flower centers. But otherwise, it's just the paper from the collection. On the right is where you can add pictures or, you know, memorabilia or something like that. So this was a frame that I got that this week from Joann's. I'll show the pack it came in my haul this week. I made this tag out of a cut apart from the Summer Farmhouse collection with a die in my stash. And this is from Pebbles, this bee ephemera. I just thought he was really cute, and I think his yellow matched the colors. And then this is some ribbon I gotten from Hobby Lobby a while back, and I never knew what to do with. So I just added a strip there. I added a strip of pom-pom trim at the edge. I just love adding fabric trim to the edge of albums. I just love the texture. Looks so cute, right? Okay, so that's the first page. And this is the second. And again, here's one of the bigger layout pages on the left side. On the right, I added, sorry for that glare, I made a frame with the paper from Summer Farmhouse, and I used my new frame punch board. This is from Joann's, also got this week. I'll show you guys on Friday. I made this swimsuit out of a die that I have. And the citrus shaker I had made a while ago and just stuck it on here. This was from a pack of ephemera I got from Tuesday Morning, and I just glued that onto the page. Isn't this paper so cute? All the little swimsuits. That's why I added the swimsuit. And I thought like the citrus slice kind of looked like a pool float, you know. And this is a piece of Pebbles ephemera too. So yeah, this is open, so you can slide a picture in there. So that's the first page. And the second page, again, another large layout on the left, and then I added, like in the front, I added a piece of ephemera that I had made before. This is one of those shaker envelopes, and it does have a couple of things tucked inside, but you could always take those out and stick photos in there, you know, whatever. So like I said, I had made this before, so this page went super quick. Just glued that on. I added a flower that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby on clearance in a pack. I added a Martha Stewart butterfly. Do you guys, she had a line out a long time ago at Michael's called Stitched, I think it was. And there were lots of like papers and butterflies and stickers and stuff like that. So they don't make them anymore, but I just love these butterflies. This is from there. So I added one to the flower. And this is from another collection I have in my stash, a piece of chipboard. So that's that page. Love the cherry paper. Love, love, love it. Excuse me. Okay, and the next page, Hello Summer on the left, and this side, this is from Summer Farmhouse, the paper, obviously. Another couple pieces of chipboard from my stash, pinwheel that I had made previously. And these frames are chipboard frames from Michael's. They're the Recollections brand. They came in a pack, different assorted sizes and shapes. And I just painted them. Actually, I used Nouveau Mousse for this one. And this is, it looks really blue here, but it's more like an aqua color. And these are so nice to use, you know, I just put a little bit on the edge of a cloth and just rubbed it on, and it pretty much like dried instantly too. This one is a glaze from Artsy, I believe. And it's very sparkly, champagne, just pretty, shimmery. I just love it. So I glued these on 3 sides so the top is open so you could slide a picture inside. I glued on some rickrack with some Fabri-Tac, and that page was done. And the back I just covered with some of the paper from the collection, and I put my stamp and die cut it out there. So, and these binder rings, I think I had gotten them from Amazon. And I forget if I mentioned this before or not. This is the second time I'm doing this video, but I got the reinforcers from Dollar Tree from the Heidi Swap brand. Sorry if I'm repeating myself, but like I said, I did this already. So anyway, that is my project share for today. I hope you like my mini album. It was so fun to make, and I think it'll be a nice memento for summertime. So thanks for joining me today. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will be back very soon with another crafty video. Take care. Bye.